Meaning of Herbert Morrison.
Herbert Morrison.
Herbert Morrison.
Herbert Morrison.
Herbert Morrison. Herbert Morrison was an American radio announcer and reporter who became famous for his coverage of the Hindenburg disaster in 1937. He coined the phrase, "Oh, the humanity," to describe the tragic event. The Hindenburg was a German airship that caught fire and crashed in New Jersey, killing 36 people. Morrison's emotional description of the disaster became one of the most famous radio broadcasts in history and is still remembered today. Herbert Morrison's name is thus closely associated with the Hindenburg disaster and the iconic phrase he used to describe it.